A young female patient, 24 years old, from Imphal West District suffered from severe recurrence palpitation due to Wolff-Parkinson-White WPW syndrome. The pulse rate during attack varying from 240 to 243 per minute, causing serious symptoms of breathlessness, dizziness, low BP, near faint, etc. After first aid medical treatment at an Imphal-based private hospital, the patient was given tablets Verapamil 200 mg per day and was advised to go outside Manipur to have the EPS plus RFA, which provides permanent cure for such heart condition, saying that such sophisticated and facility is not available in Manipur. Patient's family members said they were very worried to think about financial and physical hardship, with whom to go and whom to contact at the distant places. Parents fortunately contacted a family friend who advised that Sky Hospital Dreams Road has been providing the service since a long time successfully. The patient was seen at Sky Hospital on 25th July 2023, admitted on 26th July and was operated with EPS plus RFA on 27th July 2023. Wolff-Parkinson-White syndrome is a condition in which there is an extra electrical pathway in the heart that leads to periods of rapid heart rates. WPW syndrome is one of the most common causes of fast heart rate problems in infants and children. WPW syndrome was cured and discharged home on 29th July 2023. She does not need to take any medicines for the palpitation from now onwards. EPS, RFA, Electro-Physiological Study and Radio frequency ablation is a very sophisticated technique which includes electrical mapping of the inside of the heart to pin down the source of palpitation and then ablate, burn the source, accessory extra tissue with controlled energy delivered from outside the body. WPW syndrome is one of such sources which cause severe palpitation in the form of PSVT or atrial fibrillation. Dr. Lairik Yengbam Shyam Kishore Singh, Chairman and Chief Cardiologist of Sky Hospital, expressed his satisfaction and happiness on the successfully conducted highly specialized procedure EPS plus RFA at Sky Hospital. He also appreciated the family friend who advised the patient to go to a local hospital where EPS plus RFA is provided and helps save patient's life and avoid physical, mental and financial hardships. Dr. Shyam Kishore appealed to the people of Manipur to be aware of various sophisticated and specialized infrastructure and facilities available at Sky Hospital for operative and non-operative treatment of various complex heart diseases to reduce physical and mental hardship, cost of travel to distant places and actual cost of treatment.